All right, this is for 8th and 9th gen Impala owners from 2000 to 2016. Impalas and Impala Limiteds. Let's say the sun's beating down on your car, you get in, it's 120 degrees in the car, you start it up, and the driver's side is blowing out warmer than the passenger side. You got both of them set to cold, you're on max, vent, and you know there's refrigerant in there, you hear the compressor kicking on, but the driver's side's warmer than the passenger side. Well, it's a simple fix, and I'm going to show you how to fix it after the intro. I just want to stress the importance here that the refrigerant in my car is just a little bit low. And if your AC doesn't work at all, take it to a shop. Properly evacuate it. What I'm doing here is the refrigerant, like I said, is a tiny bit low. The driver's side, it's cold, but it's not as cold as the passenger side. And you can notice it. All it is you just need to add a half a can of refrigerant. So this is all I'm doing here. Do this at your own risk. Remember, like I said, take it to a shop if it's something worse than this. This isn't something that you should be messing around with. So let's get on to the video now with that being said. So all you need is 1 can of 134A refrigerant and it means, a charging hose. I got the one off one of those Max Cool cans that has the built-in gauge. So I'm gonna get this on the can and I'll show you what you gotta do. So you're gonna attach the can to the charging hose. Now you're gonna find the low pressure charging port, and it is located back against the firewall. I'm gonna take you off tripod here so I can show you. It is right there. I'm blocking the light. I gotta get my light in here so I can kick this heater hose out of the way. This is it right here. Should be the same on all Impalas. 2000 to 2013, 2014 to 2016 Impala Limiteds, 8th and 9th gens. So you're gonna take the cap off and you're just gonna get your charge hose. And this should just snap right on there you don't have to peel it back. Just move the heater hose out of the way if you like on this car. It's easier to do with 2 hands. Should just be able to click it right on there. Struggling. Alright, I'm going to put it back on tripod and click that on. Okay, in this case you did have to depress the tab in and click it on. But now, the car's not running and it's going to show that, but we're going to go start the car. We're going to turn on max AC so we get the compressor on. Okay. Now we're in the filled range. We're just a tiny bit low, that's all. You can see the compressor is engaged. So I'm just gonna give her a little shot. I got her to 40. I'm gonna go a little past there. Maybe I go to 45. Just want to put a little bit in there. I'm gonna hold it upside down. Actually, you kind of hold it. Shake it a little bit. takes a while. Alright, I'm gonna go in the car and check on it. Yeah, feels even to me now. That little bit was all it took. Just needs a little recharge. When you're running just a tad bit low, you'll notice the driver's side is a little hotter than the passenger side. So I'm just gonna snap this off right while it's running. Just comes right off. Put your cap back on. Close your hood and enjoy your cold air on both sides of the car. Like I said, that's all it needs, is just a tiny bit of a charge. And as far as 2021 goes, you can still get 134A in the stores. I don't know when that's going to end up being banned. But that's all it is. So if this helped you out at all in any way, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Help support the channel by subscribing, ringing the bell, checking out my other content, checking out my new videos that I post every other Monday. And thanks to everybody that's subscribed and follows along. Appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.